Okay, I'm super excited for today's unboxing. Look at this. Stella AI from AppSumo just arrived. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First impression, clean branding, simple design. I like it. This isn't your average productivity tool. Stella AI works directly on WhatsApp. No extra apps, no complicated setups, just WhatsApp. I'm logging in with my WhatsApp account right now. The onboarding is quick, just a few taps. Here's the main dashboard. Everything looks organized. Let's try setting a reminder for tomorrow's meeting. Just typed it in chat. Boom! Reminder set instantly. Now, scheduling an appointment for next week. Stella AI handled it in seconds, super smooth. Okay, let's draft an email for a client follow-up. Typed a quick prompt. Stella AI generates a full draft. Editing is easy right in WhatsApp. No switching apps. Now, let's test its research feature. Asked for the latest marketing trends, got a summary fast. I'm honestly impressed by the speed and accuracy. Notifications are clear, not spammy or overwhelming. Everything happens right inside my WhatsApp chats. No more juggling tabs or missing reminders. Busy professionals will love this streamlined workflow. Entrepreneurs, this is a game changer for daily tasks. Productivity seekers, you'll finally stay organized. Let's break down my favorite features. First, automated reminders. Never miss a deadline. Second, effortless scheduling. Meetings sorted in seconds. Third, email drafts. No more writer's block. Fourth, instant research. Get answers as you chat. All inside WhatsApp. No extra tools needed. Honestly, it saves me so much time already. The interface is intuitive, even for tech newbies. If you're tired of app overload, this is for you. I didn't expect it to be this seamless. One warning. You need WhatsApp to use Stella AI. If you're not on WhatsApp, this isn't for you. But if you are, seriously check this out. Best part? It's available now on AppSumo. You can grab the best deal today. I highly recommend Stella AI for busy professionals. Ready to boost your productivity? Link in the description. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts below.